It's a huge day here for Montrose Port Authority. We're absolutely delighted to welcome the Duke of Edinburgh here to the port. The royal family have been long-term proponents of renewable energy. It's going to be great to be able to show the Duke of Edinburgh our shore power, for example, all our decarbonisation efforts we've made here in Montrose, which have been significant. Be able to introduce them to the Seagreen, Scotland's current largest offshore wind farm. Take them over to the Skills Acaemy as well and show them what we're doing with Customs House. The Skills Acaemy will be able to develop courses for the offshore renewable industry, so it'll be great to see local kids here in Montrose be able to get a chance to actually work in these offshore wind farms that are popping up off Montrose's coast. It's hugely significant, the Skills Acaemy, and working closely with Dundee and Angus College. It's going to be a fantastic course. The Angus Council have been hugely influential in this as well. We have an MOU now with Angus Council, and they've been really supportive of the Skills Acaemy. We've got everybody sort of involved in the renewable side. Here today we've got Plug from Norway over. We're the only port in the UK that has 3 shore power berths, being able to provide green electricity going onto the vessels. We've got SSE here representing Seagreen, and we have companies like Pert Bruce, the local companies that are seeing the benefit of these offshore wind farms and the bases that need to be constructed within the ports. They're here as well. So a huge thank you to Mrs Sawyers, the Lord Lieutenant, for facilitating this meeting. It's a hugely auspicious day for the port, so really grateful for all Mrs Sawyer's help in arranging this and getting it set up for us. It's important, I think. It gives us recognition as a port. You know, all the achievements and gains we've made as a port. It's great to see that it's finally been recognised, especially at this type of level. It's been humbling really for people like this to come and see us.